Okay, today I'm going to show you how to quickly go from zero in Salesforce to printing invoices with Ready Invoice. Okay, so I'm logged in to my Salesforce account and I want to get some invoices and some test data to show you. So I'm going to install this package, and in the blog post I will link to everything that I'm doing, so you don't have to worry about copying that link down. Okay, so this is going to install a warehouse app for us that's going to give us invoices, line items, and some merchandise objects. So we're going to give Salesforce a second to install those, so bear with me. Okay, so now if you navigate to the warehouse app, you can see it created an invoice object for us, but we really want some data, so they give us an opportunity to create some test data. And now you can see that we have invoices with line items and some merchandise also connected to it. So now we're ready to log in to Ready Invoice. So we log in and OAuth redirects us back. It actually created a user for us with Salesforce information. So now we just have to fill out this form that gives us all of the information we need to hook into Salesforce. So I'll explain how to get the security token in the blog, your Salesforce password. The invoice API name is actually whatever your invoice model name is with an appended underscore C. But if you actually don't know what it is, you can come into the schema builder and you can view the object and it will actually tell you what the name is. So we know what they are. So this is invoice underscore C. Line item is similar. And we also have this other object model API name is anything that's connected to the line item or the invoice that we want to display on the invoices. So we want to display some information about the merchandise itself. So we're going to add that here. So we update this user information. And this actually sent some stuff back to Salesforce, but I will explain that later. So we check invoices, and there's of course none because we have no data yet. So let's refresh the data and get our data from Salesforce. So we've refreshed and we go here, and sure enough we have all of our invoices. And if you click on one, you can see that it creates this HTML document. And everything on this document is pretty much editable. You can edit your address here and your company name here. And you can add a logo. And the invoice number is automatically pulled in. So now this stuff is actually blank because we don't know what your model names are. So what we have to do is pick the model name and the attribute. So line item underscore C, and this is the line item name. So now it's actually pulling in the proper stuff. This is actually going to be merchandise name is going to be the most descriptive attribute we have that's connected to the line item. So laptop rate is the line item unit price, and this quantity is going to be the line item quantity. So now that we've done this, right-clicked and decided all the attributes, it actually saves that to your user account, and now the rest of your invoices will also automatically pull this information in. So it looks like we have none of these invoices have any money attached to them, so let's quickly go show you that this works. So we'll edit the line item, and all we have to do is give it a unit price, and we're going to save. So that was invoice number 2. So if we go back refresh our Salesforce data. And then go back to invoice number 2. And now we have our rate. You can also add arbitrary line items with any amount you want. So if you want to do a one-time, like charge them $40 for whatever, this will actually, the document will automatically update the totals, as you can see here. And then you can also add a logo here if you'd like to. And if you're all done editing and it looks good, you can hit print. And you can save this PDF. Let's save it as downloads. So let's go to downloads and open it up, and there it is. So that's pretty cool. And then the cool part is once you set this up, you can actually access this from your Salesforce account. So what we did was we pushed back a PDF link. So if you edit your invoice layout, you'll see that there's now a PDF link here. And if you add it to your layout and click Save, you'll have a PDF link that links back to the corresponding invoice. This is actually the application itself, and I'm running on localhost, so this link won't work here, but it will work for you in production. So that's about it. So if you're interested, let me know, and you could help us out and be a beta tester. Okay, thank you.